हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। पेसिमिस्टिक, निराशावादी, हतोत्साहित। मीनिंग, टेंडिंग टू सी द वर्स्ट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ थिंग्स और बिलीव दैट द वर्स्ट विल हैपन। Synonyms: negative, cynical, gloomy. Antonyms: optimistic, hopeful, positive. Example: he is pessimistic about the company's future growth. Slackening, dhīlapan, mandi. Meaning: becoming slower, weaker, or less intense. Synonyms: slowing, weakening, easing. Antonyms: intensifying, strengthening, accelerating. Example: there was a slackening of demand in the market last month. Precarious, asthar, anishchit. Meaning: not securely held or in position, dangerously likely to fall or collapse. Synonyms: unstable, insecure, risky. Antonyms: stable, secure, safe. Example: they were living in a precarious financial condition. Complacent, atma-santusht, laparwa. Meaning: showing smug or uncritical satisfaction with oneself or one's achievements. Synonyms: self-satisfied, smug, indifferent. Antonyms: concerned, dissatisfied, ambitious. Example: the team became complacent after winning a few matches. Vulnerable, asurakshit, samvedansheel. Meaning: exposed to the possibility of being attacked or harmed, either physically or emotionally. Synonyms: susceptible, defenseless, unprotected. Antonyms: protected, secure, resilient. Example: children are more vulnerable to seasonal diseases. Rampant, फैलता हुआ, अनियंत्रित. Meaning: flourishing or spreading unchecked, especially something unwelcome. Synonyms: uncontrolled, unrestrained, widespread. Antonyms: controlled, restrained, limited. Example: corruption is rampant in many sectors. Transparency, pardarshita, spashtata. Meaning: the quality of being open, clear, and easily understood or recognized. Synonyms: openness, clarity, honesty. Antonyms: opaqueness, secrecy, obscurity. Example: transparency in the system builds public trust. Impunity, dandmukti, dand se chhoot. Meaning: exemption from punishment or freedom from the injurious consequences of an action. Synonyms: immunity, exemption, pardon. Antonyms: accountability, liability, responsibility. Example: criminals often act with impunity in weak law systems. Uptick, vriddhi, uchhal. Meaning: a small increase or upward trend. Synonyms: rise, increase, upsurge. Antonyms: drop, decline, decrease. Example: there has been an uptick in online shopping after the festival season. Jeopardize, खतरे में डालना, जोखिम उठाना. Meaning: to put someone or something into a situation of danger or risk. Synonyms: endanger, threaten, imperil. Antonyms: protect, secure, safeguard. Example: his careless driving could jeopardize many lives. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.